I used to think I wanted peace until I actually felt it. When things got quiet, it didn't feel peaceful. It felt uncomfortable. I started to notice anytime I had nothing to do, no distraction, my mind didn't slow down. It looked for something. Something to check. Something to fill the space. And without thinking, I would reach for my phone. Not because I needed it, but because silence felt unfamiliar. That's when it clicked. Nothing was wrong with the quiet. I just wasn't used to it. Because when you are used to noise, stillness doesn't feel like peace at first. It feels like something is missing. But the more I stayed, the more that feeling started to change. The urge to escape became quieter, and the silence didn't feel empty anymore. It just felt calm, not exciting, not dramatic, just steady. And that's what peace really is. Not something big, but something so simple. We almost overlook it. And that's why peace feels strange at first. Not because it's empty, but because it asks you to sit without needing anything more.